let's start taking a look at drawing angles in standard position. So for an angle to be in standard position, we're going to do this on a coordinate plane. Your vertex always has to be at the origin. You will then also have what's called the initial side. So you will always have one of the rays of that angle will be on the positive x-axis. So this is the initial side. And then the other ray that makes the angle is called the terminal side, or the terminal ray. And I'm going to put it right here in quadrant 2. And this is the terminal side. Our angle theta then, again, when we move on the coordinate plane, when we do angles, positive, we go counterclockwise. So here we go. This will be my angle theta. Now let's talk about what's called coterminal angles. So I can have same angle here. I can give it a positive angle, positive measure, negative angle measure, or we can also go over 360. And man, I wrote this so fast. That should not be 30, 360. I missed the 6. Okay, so I'm going to just duplicate exactly what we did here. So here's my angle. So for this to be a positive angle, I am moving counterclockwise. And I'm going this way. If I do that, I can say this theta equals 120 degrees. Now, negative angle, let's sketch that same angle in. So a negative angle, we would start at the initial side and we would move clockwise. You always, always, always start at the initial side of the angle. So for a negative angle, you move clockwise. So I'd be coming from here, the initial side, to here. And in this instance, then, theta would equal negative 240 degrees. Now, I can also do multiple rotations. So let's put our angle in here. Same angle. I know my artistry isn't the greatest. It's the same angle. So I can move in a positive direction. I can start at the initial side. I start here. And instead of stopping when I hit that terminal ray, I come back around. Here's one full rotation. And then maybe I stop. So in this instance then, theta equals 480 degrees. And so what this is it's your angle theta. So we started at 120 degrees plus 360 times k, which is however many rotations you do. So in this instance, I only went one rotation. So I did 120 plus 360 gets me the 480. I could continue doing this for infinity. I could keep going around. If I did 5 rotations, I would take 120 plus 360 times 5, and that would again be an angle measure to describe that angle.